Welcome to Crack Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Streets of New Capenna. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Join the Maestros, followed by Obscura Initiate, By Your Silence, Jackhammer, Rox Pummeler, Incriminate, Cabaretti Initiate, Sky Crier, Celestial Regulator, Botanical Plaza, Mage's Attendant, Mr. Orfeo the Boulder, Hypnotic Grifter, Giada Font of Hope, which for 1 and a white is a 2/2 flying vigilant legendary creature with each other angel you control enters the battlefield with an additional +1/+1 counter on it for each angel you already control. And you can tap and add 1 white mana, spend this mana only to cast an angel spell. So I know Giada Font of Hope has been doing a lot of work for mono white angels in Pioneer recently. And I am pretty sure she's doing similarly for mono white angels in Commander. The basic idea is, this is a pretty cheap low to ground commander, so you could easily get this out turn 2, especially since it's mono white. If you hit your first 2 land drops, you're set for turn 2. And then you just start flooding the board with angels that get increasingly large for every other angel you have. And obviously you can use Giada as a mana dork for your angels. So in addition to being a way to continually to pump your angels up, this helps you accelerate your angels out even faster. So this is just great. Am I going to be building a mono white angels deck? Maybe. I don't have a lot of angels though. A lot of the staples that you would see. So if I were to, I would need to find them, basically. I would need to do a lot of research into what angels you even want. I don't typically look for angel tribal, because I've never had a commander to build around them. But I might now, just because I know that this has been good, and it almost certainly will continue to be good, because angels are going to continue to be printed. But if you have a deck that you use Giada Font of Hope either as the commander or just in the deck, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are of her. Has she been as important? Has she been as useful as the internet has been saying for you? Or have you been finding her to kind of be a miss? Our land is a plains. And then we have a rogue token to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow to crack open another pack.